Hỏi cái thiên cái trong Blei kia thu ru mà bốn cái brio cái Jngai nó Blei.
Yes, the word of God also tells us many who had been far away from God.
Kata hagabakin jado kalong balada ki brio ki don ni kaspa ka po.
Taking, for example, in the flesh, when people have the riches and wealth,
Habaki don kam tam ya ka bor.
especially when they have that power,
Ya kandam.
the fame,
Ting ting don kam ru yo Blei.
or position, they do need God.
Don kam yo Blei.
They may say, we don't need God.
Kabong tu perlok Jngai ong ba udon sport sa London stiu ong bagi brio sani kayi mani labun bakang menta.
As one of Pastor's friends said, there in London, many of the churches have been locked down.
Kam don su kata ka jing shit hem da ka mentau Blei na mar Blei ka sarkar ka pen biang na dong sedong
They
iki.
no longer have that zeal or passion to serve God. Why? Because the government is providing for all your needs.
La dau brio kidan kita ki social securities kidan lut kita gi ki ka sarkar ka pen biang ya lagi jong gi nong jong senong.
They have all the securities, all the providence for them given by the government.
Bal kata ka ka jing sisa bala dau brio biang lut na dong sedong teng teng kawan no. Ka kham it no ya ka spa ban ka ba it you track.
And this is the truth. In life, when people are self-sufficient and they have all the wealth and property and all their needs met, they do not seek God.